All right, today we are talking about how to get your first win online without being an expert. And it's easier, truly, than you might think. So, I've talked to thousands of schoolers around the world, and these are people that have school communities. And I've also talked to hundreds of school games winners, and of course worked with Sam Ovens and Alex Ramosi on all of it. Most people think I need more skills before I can charge, and no, you have no idea how wrong that actually is. You just need to be 1 or 2 steps ahead, and that's it. So remember, I've talked to hundreds of school creators, well, maybe thousands at this point, and almost none of them started as experts. Meanwhile, someone less experienced, less skilled is already making money. So anyways, the point is, here's the friggin' breakdown for all of it. Your first win is not a course, a funnel, or a brand. It's just this. It's solving one problem for one person and getting them a result, even if it's free at first. So, for example, you don't say something like, I'm a school growth expert. You say, I'll help you get 5 new members this week. Because remember, we're talking about the results of something, not the thing, the method. No, people care about the method to get the result less than they care about the result and don't care about the method. Another example is, I'll help you stop 2 people from churning. Super specific, kind of impressive. So here's what you actually do. Find someone with a problem, which ideally you've already done this, and then offer to help them get a result, and then you do the work with them. That's it. Not for them, with them. This is important, really important, because now you learn, they get a result, and you have proof. And proof equals money in the long term, the really good stuff, right? Passive income. And this is where it flips. After you get a result, you don't say, I hope more people find me, right? Which is something that I did for a very long time at the beginning before I understood how this whole thing worked. You say, I did this for this person. Would you like the same? And that's it. There's no complicated sales involved in that. There's no content machine yet. There's just proof, and then you repeat it. Proof, and then you repeat it, right? So here's the part that people avoid. Your first few wins will feel very messy, and that's good. This is what you want. That's how you know that it's real. A clean system comes after wins, so you can't just magically make it perfect the first time through. You just have to do it. You have to do it full well knowing that it might not be perfect. So if you've been stuck preparing, this is your sign. You got to go get a win, and then you'll get another win, and then we scale it. So the point is, get started. Don't wait for anything. And if you think that there's someone out there that can help, get a hold of them and hire them to help. Do what you can to throw yourself into the mix, because sometimes it only takes one little push to get that kayak to finally flip in the good way into a pool of money in this case. So anyways, don't believe me, test it. Have fun, make friends, and I'll see you beans on the next Goose Tiny Table. Later.